Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to my channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you're someone who likes Izindaba Zabantu, you are definitely in the right place. Guys, we are talking about Uthando Nesthembu. Guys, Uthando Nesthembu, I feel like every season, they sit down and plan, what, this season Musa Mseleku is going to be fighting with this particular person. This season, Musa Mseleku is going to be fighting with this particular person. Because now, Musa Mseleku is just on Makumalo's case. Musa Mseleku is on Makumalo's case, and Makumalo naye, she's not innocent, guys. She is really not innocent. Naye nje, she has her things going on, nje kuningi. And ke sana, the main thing that Musa Mseleku and Khumalo are fighting about, my personal opinion, I think it's number 5. Le ndaba ka number 5, I don't think ukuthi Khumalo imhlele kahle nje. It's really, really not sitting well with her. I guess maybe because she did mention ukuthi she was hurt by the fact that it's the same person from the same village. So because Musa Mseleku took someone from the village, maybe that's why. But son, on the recent episode, they went to a retreat. Musa Mseleku took all his wives to a retreat because he felt like they needed it, to just bond and also see a therapist because there was a therapist also there. Ne? Like the scene ya Khumalo and Musa Mseleku is just, it's giving, I don't want to be here. Khumalo doesn't seem like she wants to be there. And also Khumalo, I feel like she is holding a grudge nje against Mseleku because of what I've just mentioned. What it's someone from the same area where she grew up and don't. But nje, even when Mseleku was trying to talk to her, okay, it's just like, Umselek is trying to talk to her. Ugel is like, no, it's fine. No, it's fine. I don't want to talk about other people. I don't want to mention other people's names, like Guningi. And also, Sana, I have to mention this. Umselek was really happy to see Khumalo because remember, they were on a huge break, Sana, 5 months. Sana, I wonder if during that break were they calling each other or not, because there's a time where Khumalo mentioned ukuthi she was in a hospital and Musa Mseleku didn't even come to check up on her. The man that we are married to doesn't even come to check up on you in hospital. Yes, we are not on good terms, we are not on speaking terms, but what if something happens, I lose my life there? So shuthi ngizoshona wena ungangibonanga. Kuningi sana. So on this retreat, they are given canvases to just paint their feelings, express how they feel, and then they will explain those feelings to the therapist. Khumalo is just not budging sana. She's like, no, I don't know how to draw. Mseleku is just pleading with Khumalo, like, please try, please don't own me. I'm just trying to fix what is wrong between us. I'm just trying to fix goopy goop. And then, she finally gave in. She was like, okay, I will see, but I don't know how to draw. The only way that I can express myself is by talking, talking about things. So, Sana, they went there, they were just drawing and drawing and drawing and expressing their feelings. How? Nango ke uMacele ke, main character. She starts crying now while she was drawing those feelings, Guilea canvas, while she was painting on the canvas. But it was only her and Umseleku in the room. The other wives were not there yet. They were painting their feelings, Kuma, separate rooms, I think, yeah. Okay, starts crying, and Umseleku is like, how? You are crying, what's wrong? Because you're yummy. Yo, Sana, like, what's the drama, And I feel like, oh, Macele, hey. So girl starts crying. She starts crying. Sana, some things I have to keep to myself. Some social media is very, very brutal, very brutal. So she starts crying. And now Musa Mzeleku doesn't even know how to comfort someone, guys. Like that guy. And I know it's not even him alone, nje. A lot of guys, nje, they don't know how to comfort a person. She's crying there, and Musa is there, like brushing her shoulder. Askisi mama, askisi mama. Uyakhala. Yo, kuningi. Kuningi sana, but all I can say ukuthi uMacele is the princess of the Mseleko household. uMacele uphenduke nje uGogo Flow. We all know uGogo Flow wakaMusa Mseleko. uMacele is the new Gogo Flow sana. She is the princess sana. She is crying there, feeling bad. I don't know ukuthi ke sana what's the reason, because she just cried nje and didn't say anything when Musa was asking. But yeah, the drama is continuing to dramatize sana as we continue to watch Uthando Nesthembu season 9, because it is going down, guys. Please make sure that you stay tuned to this channel. Please like and comment. I share entertainment news as well as ama recaps ke Uthando Nesthembu sana. We are there, Phakathi Inside. Do not leave without subscribing. I will see you on my next one. Bye.